How long does it take to obtain a guardianship? Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I am Frank Bruno. I'm an elder law and guardianship attorney in New York. Today's topic, the length of time to obtain a guardianship. I can't give you a number like 78 days or 62 days or some number. I could work you through the process and tell you that it takes a couple of months. One person, that would be the petitioner, has to have the reason, the basis for filing a petition, right? And in their allegations, they're saying, hey, this person is showing some level of incapacity. I'd like to be that person's guardian. They create an order to show cause and a petition. It has to be filed in court, and then all of the interested persons have to be served. So if you're filing for, say, your father, if his wife was alive, you have to serve her. Any other adult children, they have to be served. If there's a roommate or adult siblings that are interested, meaning they're around and about, they have to be served. So there is a return date of the order to show cause, and on that date, the court could appoint, they could choose to appoint a court evaluator. Well, they definitely will appoint a court evaluator, but they may also appoint an attorney for the alleged incapacitated person. That person would have to interview and understand the case to represent their client, and the court evaluator would have to do the tasks associated with being a court evaluator, interviewing the litigants, the interested parties, reading the petition, and preparing a report. And there'll be, well, I'm going to say there's typically 3 court dates. Not all of them are required. Sometimes there's 2 court dates. Typically, if it's uncontested, there'll be 3 court dates that last a few months. At some point, maybe at the second court date, the court might, even as early as the first court date, if there was a need for it, the court may make a temporary guardian just to provide some perhaps needed protection. And it depends why the guardianship is necessary. Sometimes it's to stop a foreclosure or an eviction. Sometimes it's because medical attention has to be given, and you need a temporary guardian for that purpose, right? So things are fact specific, and it's a general question, so I'll give a general answer that it takes approximately a few months to obtain a guardianship. I would say 4 to 6 months, right? Could be as early as 2 or 3, could be a little bit longer. 3 to 6 is a good number. If you held a gun to my head, I would say that. Absolutely 3 to 6, or as many as 9. No, but 3 to 6, probably 3 to 6 months, all right? If there's a need to get it sooner, the order to show cause is an expedited process. You will be in court relatively quickly. It is a court process. We all know people that have court cases that drag on and on. This is overall an expedited process and much quicker than any other case typically that you're involved in. And if there was an emergency or an immediate need like medical attention or stopping an eviction, the court would really ramp up its speed and take the necessary actions. If you'd like to speak to me about guardianship, please reach out, frankbrunolaw.com. If you have questions, I have answers. Thank you.